Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini model, only way. Begin by installing the SDK and setting an API key, then run a simple prompt to confirm connectivity and permissions, monitor logs for errors, and adjust timeouts. Keep your key private and rotate it regularly. Save example prompts in a versioned file and note model names to reproduce results later. Use concise, explicit prompts to guide Gemini toward useful outputs, and prefer one objective per request to avoid mixed results. Provide a system message to define style and format, include a few examples to illustrate expected responses, and set length limits to control verbosity. Iterate quickly by adjusting temperature and max tokens, and track changes so you can reproduce the best prompt efficiently. Quick ad break. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride and a smile. Check the description for the link and great deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize safety by filtering model outputs and implementing rate limits to control cost and misuse, while testing adversarial prompts to find weaknesses. Use content policies and allow lists to block unsafe responses, and log flagged interactions for review. Tune temperature and penalties for better consistency, and keep model upgrades documented so you can compare performance changes across versions and rollback if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.